Hey everybody, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Largo, Florida. It actually is not so beautiful today. You can see it's very gray, overcast. It's a little after 9 o'clock in the morning and it is about 60 degrees out, and temperatures are going to be falling throughout the day here on January, I think it's the 13th. Anyhow, this is my so-called garage, which has a dilapidated apartment over the top of it. This is my house here. There's the cars. You've seen me do some work there. Well, my fiance and I were planning on moving. I was very much looking forward to having a beautiful two-car garage, which was in the works. And now those works have come to a standstill. So this is where I work out of with my detailing. Yes, it looks like a complete disaster area to probably most of you, and it's in a constant change of flux, some of which I didn't think I was going to have to deal with. Anyway, there's 6 bins right here, having my microfiber towels. I've got my A clean, my B clean, and over there underneath the plastic is my C clean, with the dirties being underneath them. Thrilling, right? There's a bunch of buckets. I've got various plastic sheeting, tablecloths from the Everything's a Dollar store. There's a bunch of big bins down here from Walmart containing a lot of products. Here's some cleaning supplies, my rug doctor, my solo hand pump I did a video on. I like the carpet. Here's my pressure washer, my vac. So the topic of this video, as I take you around here, is going to be this other area, not my chaotic workshop garage, which is, of course, you noticed, open air across all 3 bays. There is my BMW Z4M Roadster. Here is my open bay. Here is my, what I call, a lean-to off the side, and it's kind of falling apart. I rent this place, I don't own it, so there's not a lot of major work I'm going to do. Now, my wall here, you can see this pile of things. I started taking things off this wall, and my thought process on this is to run, I'm going to walk through the wall here, is to run plastic from this wall all the way back, across this back wall all the way back, leave the little built-in shelf that's here, and run the plastic across this, as well as all of my raftered ceilings on both bays. That way I can have a fairly dust-free, termite dropping free, spider free. You can see the beautiful wasp nests that build, and I'm forever taking those out. It's going to be a little process, but I just kind of thought I'd share with you a little bit of what I am going through to give myself a better work area, give myself a cleaner environment, always have a nice dry, shady place to work on a vehicle, and also just to let you know that Yes, even though I do now have a nice Nikon D3200 camera, I've got my microphone, I've got a couple tripods, I've got a rendering computer, I've got a staff of people that are trying to help me out in getting going with YouTube. It's a learning curve. I've made some mistakes. I've got some videos that are being edited and produced, but they're very complicated. There's a lot going on with them, and I'm trying to learn as I go along the way. So anyway, this is just my garage as it is, and I'm going to film as I go along and convert this to a more workable, usable, with full electric and everything right out here. This is just something I have to put my 100-foot cord from the house. I'm going to run a direct line out here, and it's going to be a lot better. I'll get a little compressor and stuff. So thanks for bearing with me. I am going to produce amazing videos, and I thank you for tuning in. Till next time, bye.